Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about secure root command. How we can choose that secure root command in Allen Bradley PLC. And first of all, I will take my input bit address. Here we can choose. And second, I will take this counter, for example. So this is I will give the address input. First input I will place it here, and second I will this compute CPU counter I will give C5 colon 0 C5 colon 0, and here it's the side value giving, for example, 90 or 80, any kind I give, no problem. So we can choose this command from compute math section, that this is the secure root command, and here I will take also that source A from C5 colon 0 C5 colon 0, and this is accumulator value I will take, and here is I will take integer address M7 colon 0 and 7 colon 0, and so this we will check in verify the file, and this why not giving the C5 colon 0 dot acc we forget, and verify again file what he says. Oh sorry, this is C5 colon 0, that verify the file and download to the PLC. So go online and see, now we can see this one. For example, I give the address here, for example 4 and how much for the secure root answer is 2, and simply we can check in the calculator. We can use this calculator also. We can verify this value, it's okay or not okay, by this 4, for example, that secure root is answer 2. This is simple, it's okay. And for example, if we put it here 6, that also 2, and 7 is 3. Why is showing it in round figure? Or for example in 8, if we put this is also 3, because of this is showing only round figure. And if you like to see in this point to point with floating point, so can simply download to the use this one, make it offline first, control V, and simple. Here is I will change this address. Here this we will choose F8 colon 0, and you can see the value also again download. You will see the correct address at this destination. Here he will be showing only round figure, and here he will showing is complete. For example, I give the signal at I1 colon 0. See, 1 secure root is 1, 2 secure root is correctly is round figure showing only 1, and when in floating address you will be correct answer is showing 1.4142, and also we can check by calculator also. For example, this is 2. If you put 2, and this is the secure root, how much? 1.4142, 1.4142. as it look like if you giving the more signals 3 4 5, it will be showing continue address downside in the next secure route in your floating points. See, now is 17 and we will can check with 17 how much the address 17 secure route how much coming 4.12310, same like 4.12310. So this way you can use this command in any program. This is the basically using in calculations. When you're using that calculations, after you can use this command. So hopefully you will understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.